Hi everyone, Chris with Benco Dental. Hey, we're in the fourth quarter. End of the year is going to be here before you know it. And one of the things I wanted to do is do a quick refresher on Section 179 of the tax code. So for those of you all that don't remember from last year, Section 179 of the tax code allows businesses to deduct for current year taxes the full purchase price of equipment from the total gross income. That's phenomenal. That is huge. It's up to $500,000 now that you were able to deduct. Now, prior, there were years that were like $25,000. So it's really big. And a great example is if you're purchasing something that's $20,000 and assuming you're in a 35% tax bracket, if you're purchasing $20,000 worth of equipment, your deduction would be at $7,000, which after your tax deduction, your piece of equipment went from $20,000 down to $13,000. That's phenomenal. That's great. It's something that you need to consider when you're looking at equipment purchases for the end of the year. Something else to think about. Even though Section 179 covers the entire year, 70% of equipment purchases are done in the fourth quarter. Well, that's great, but the problem is there is a deadline. If these pieces of equipment aren't installed by December 31st, it doesn't count for this year. It goes on to next year. So something I like to do is be proactive. If you have an idea that you may be purchasing equipment before the end of the year, please let me know now. Email me, text me, call me, message me here. That way you and I can start game planning. I can get the right reps in front of you. We can get you the financing that is available for you. And that way we're not trying to fight this deadline. So please, if you're looking for equipment, let's be proactive and get on this today. Okay, quick recap. Section 179, phenomenal, up to $500,000. You need to take advantage of it. I'm also below in the comment section, I'm going to put a Section 179 calculator so you can do the math yourself. But also, never forget to talk to your accountant about this. Okay, the second thing we need to remember, we need to be proactive. If you're thinking of equipment, we need to act now. We don't want to get caught up in the bottleneck that the rest of the 70% of the other people that are fighting about. We want to meet the deadline instead of having to defer it till next year. Okay? You got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Call me, text me. You can private message me here. If you have any friends that would be interested in this video, feel free to tag them or forward it on. I do appreciate the likes on here as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.